guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to turn into another Disney princess. I know that it's been a while since I've done one of these. The last time that I did a video like this was when I did Jasmine. So I'm gonna list a card up here so you guys can check out that video. I did 2 looks. So today I wanted to do Ariel. Now, for those of you that are very close to me, you guys know how much I love Ariel. Ever since I was a little girl, like, it was always a dream of mine to become the Little Mermaid. I would tell my mom to dye my hair red, and it was just funny, the stuff that like I would come up with. Let's get right into it. Before we begin this makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on my contacts, because as we all know, Ariel has like ocean blue eyes. And I'm gonna do it off camera because for those of you that can relate, sometimes you have your moments where the contacts are super easy to put on, and then you have other moments where it takes an eternity and the struggle is that real. All right guys, so I got my contacts on. I definitely look different. But I wanted to share with you real quick where I got my contacts. So there's a dollar store that's near our house. It's called Dollar Forever. And they usually carry different color contacts. That's usually where I like to go. And the brand is called Divine. They feel super comfortable. I was actually surprised at how quick I was able to put these on. It didn't take me an eternity, so that's good. So far, so good. I'm gonna end up putting on a red wig, by the way, to like complete the look, but I'm not gonna do that until the end. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prep my eyes so that way we can start getting into the makeup look. So to begin, I'm gonna prep my eyes with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. You know what I didn't do? Let me go ahead and put primer. I did not put primer on my face. Check out my Mickey ears. I don't know if you guys can see these. I made these last year, or I want to say like 2 years ago when I went to Disney. I made them myself, so I decided that it was only appropriate for me to wear them. I'm gonna take a brush like this and I'm just gonna blend everything out. In this video, I'm going to be using a brand new palette that I found at Burlington, and I only paid $6.99 from the BB brand, and it has shimmer, matte, and metallic, and ultra pigment. I did swatch these when I first got them, but yeah, look at how awesome these colors are. I'm going to be grabbing a color from this palette. This is another one that I got from Five Below, and these are the colors. I've used this one before, but never, I don't remember if I did like a makeup tutorial with this one yet. But this has a lot of like the purples and the shimmers, and I want to put one like over like the eyelid, this color right here. I'm just gonna wet the brush. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna use the color Shy, which is like a plum color. Now guys, this will take you a little bit of time, seeing as you have all these colors that you're blending in, because you don't want to have like harsh lines, so it will take you a little bit. I'm going in with the color Bay right here. Still think that I want to do like another darker shade, but I'm trying to figure out which palette I'm going to be using, because if you guys were to see, I have like a ton of palettes in front of me right now. If you guys saw in my Dollar Tree hard candy makeup fall look video, I had a palette like this, and this color right here, this purple color, looks really nice. Do you see that? Now Ariel, you can do like a natural look, but I figure, you know what, if we're gonna be dressing up like Ariel, might as well go all out. Kind of wanted to go with a glam Ariel look. These eyeshadows are blending out beautifully, given that I am using different eyeshadows from different palettes, so that's really cool. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. I ended up picking this up from the Dollar Tree. It's the LA Color Matte Liquid Liner. Now I'm gonna remove the tape. So I'm gonna go in with my normal foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Photo Focus bronze beige color. I don't know why I have a scratch there, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna set everything. So I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl True Blends in the color Banana. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Light Medium. I just noticed that I had like a pimple right there. Alright, so now that I did my face, I'm gonna finish up my eyes and then I'll finish doing the rest of my face. I've seen a lot of people where they sometimes will do like the red eyebrows. I'm not gonna do that because technically if you look at Ariel, her eyebrows are like black or like a dark brown. Alright guys, so I did my eyebrows. So same how I always do it. So now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow where I did the liner. So I'm gonna be using the eyebrow palette that you guys have seen in my fall video. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use some of the colors that I use on my eyelid at the bottom of my eye. And I'm gonna bring it down here just to make it a more smokier eye. I'm gonna be using this palette. I'm gonna go in with the color Summer. And I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in the color Very Black. Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start contouring my face. Next, we're gonna do the blush. So for the blush, I'm gonna do like a red color. So I'm gonna go in with this one very softly and subtle. So now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my lips, and then we are almost done with this look. I'm gonna go in with the red lip liner, and this one's from Jordina, and it's in the color Fuchsia. All right, now I'm gonna go in. And remember how in my last video, the simple and easy fall video, I'll list the card up here so you guys can check that out. Well, I ended up using a lip mousse that I found at the Dollar Tree in like a orange color, and I didn't know that I purchased another color, and I found it when I was going through my makeup today, and I feel like this is the perfect color to pull off this Ariel look. And seeing as I love the formula of this, I decided that it was only perfect to use it. And this is the color, it says Whipped, so and I almost just whipped myself with this just now, and I try to play it off, but anyways, so this is the color Whipped, and I'm gonna apply it and see how it looks. It's definitely bright. Let's see. You guys can totally do like a color like this to match like the eyeshadow, but since I really wanna just use the reds, that's what I'm gonna go in with. Oh wow, okay. I love this color. Wow, this is bright. Guys, this is another color that definitely has not disappointed. Like, I love the formula of this. I'm gonna check online and see if they have more colors. And guys, if that is it for the makeup look, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my Ariel wig and see how everything will look all together. Wandering free, wish I could be part of your world. It feels super cool to do a video like this and to actually have red hair without having to dye my hair. But yeah, I got this wig from Amazon and I feel like it did the job. I like it. It took a while to like really get the hair like where I wanted it to be, seeing as it is a, you know, cheap wig. But I feel like it did the job. It looks good, as at least I think so. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this look, seeing as it is close to Halloween, and I just wanted to bring you guys some inspiration if you guys are looking at for a, you know, Halloween costume. And I'm just wearing a purple shirt and nothing fancy, but if you are looking for like the last minute thing, then you could do like a purple shirt with like some green leggings. I know that they have like the mermaid leggings out at Walmart. I wanted to do like a glam Ariel look because I know like in the Little Mermaid, her makeup is very simple. I wanted to just dress it up a little bit and give you guys like a glam vibe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. So before I close out this video, the girls wanted to jump in real quick and first of all say hi, and second of all to show you guys their makeup look, because while I was playing around with makeup, so were they. So here I have Ariana next to me and she's going to show you her makeup look. So Ariana was playing around with a new eyeshadow palette that she ended up getting at Five Below. For those of you that don't know, Genesis and Ariana have been playing a video game called Among Us, and Genesis wanted to dress up as one of them, and Ariana also was dressed up as one of them. So here we have Genesis. And apparently that's what they look like. I don't know. You moms out there, tell me if you guys are going through the same thing as me with Roblox, Minecraft, and Among Us.
Yeah, I found
and
this
Discord and all that other stuff.
I found this yellow neon shirt and I found a neon orange shirt for Yana. And yeah, I'm yellow, she's orange.
And I'm red. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button. It helps out my channel a lot. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you hit all of your notification bells so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and also on TikTok. And until next time, guys, bye. Mwah.